Gentlemen, let's surface prep and trim a door, shall we? You guys see that pin? It's not retracting into the head of the nail gun, and then therefore the nail can't reset. It needs to go in like that. Let's tear it apart. This gun is as old as can be. It's been through more cycles than I can even begin to count. Thousands of cycles. If I can get it working, great. If not, I'm gonna have to buy another one. What are those guns? 150 bucks, 120, something like that. It served its purpose, but it's left me in a lurch right now. I also determined that the pin that holds the trigger in is actually the keeper broke off, or whatever, who knows, right? I'm gonna wrap some wire around it and do it and see if it'll stay together. Here we go, putting it back together. Test fired it a couple of times. It misfed once or twice. It didn't feed a nail at all once or twice, and then it seemed to work itself out. Here goes nothing. Misfeed. It's not feeding the nail. Hit. I'm just a guy, tried to nail some stuff up and his nail gun quit working. Are the right gauge nails, and I wonder if this slider is worn out. I'm just a guy. Let's open her up. 100 bucks. 107 out the door. Not exactly what I would call a sexy machine by any stretch. Same capability, same spec. Heavier than the other one. Man, maybe not. There it is. Boom. Now I can finally get on with my project. My goodness. Thanks for watching.